Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams, the Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam and the OMBAR dash cam. Get ready for some serious camera action.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam boasts a dual lens setup, capturing the road front and inside the passenger cabin in crystal clear, 1080p at 30 fps. Perfect for those wild rideshare moments.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam features infrared night vision technology with its interior-facing camera. Those rowdy passengers won't stand a chance in the dark, as this dash cam captures flawless footage with its 4 IR LED lights.
The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam offers 24 hours of motion-activated parking mode, automatically recording when it detects any movement. Plus, it comes with an optional GPS feature to track your driving route, location, and speed.
You'll never lose your way or your footage. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam has received rave reviews from customers. Reviewers praise its video quality, night vision, and connectivity features.
The dash cam is highly recommended for rideshare drivers and those looking for reliable and high-quality footage.
And there you have it, folks. The Vantrue N2 Pro dash cam and the OMBAR dash cam battled it out in 3 intense categories.
While both dash cams have their strengths, it ultimately comes down to your personal needs and preferences.
Which dash cam will you choose? Let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons and smart buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.